today we got the Fadebomb 50mm wide paint marker. This marker holds 25 milliliters of opaque alcohol-based paint and is made in Japan. This one is the red gold mixture.
Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em.
I do like that this lid is not so easy to come off, because I feel like a lot of the wide markers on the market have problems with their lids. But this Fadebomb lid, it feels very secure. I don't feel like it's gonna come off. I don't feel like it's gonna leak or possibly dry out the nib. This is a standard looking pump system, but it's this nib carriage right here that looks really good. It looks way more secure than the Molotov Masterpiece marker. Giant 50mm T-style nib. It's got these channels here all along the side to help hold the nib in place, and it also will help evenly distribute the flow to the nib. There's some nice little washers embedded to the head of the marker, 2 of them. I really like this old school deodorant marker style lid. This shit just feels like the 90s. This feels like a really good quality marker body. Looks like we got these bevels here along the edges of the bottom, probably to help the marker stand up better. Yeah, this just feels like quality all the way around. As long as this marker flows good and doesn't have any disasters, it's already an instant classic. I like this a lot.
I like it a lot. Look at it closely. Look at it closely.
Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.